Some sleep top tips. How's your sleep? Not great? Mind really busy? Lots of thoughts all over the place? Tried counting sheep? Not work? Well, here's some ideas for you. Try and go to bed at a set time each night and wake up each morning at a set time. Put your phones away, the other side of the room, switch them off. And do this at least an hour before bed. Hot drink? No caffeine. Try not to drink any caffeine before bed. Read a book. Have an escape, an adventure in the pages of a book. Listen to music. Put on some calm, relaxing sounds or an audiobook to drift off to. Try and be active before you go to bed. Go for a walk, see what's around, or imagine your safe space, a calm space where you can relax. And if you've still got thoughts going around in your head, write them down and deal with them in the morning. Good night.